Hi, so me and my group will present our poster based on this campaign, which is Dryo Balanops Lanceolata. And our title for this campaign is KAPUR PAJI Lasten, Protect a Giant Tree of Sarawak Forest. Without further ado, we will proceed with introduction part.
Hello everyone, today I would like to present a conservation campaign focusing on Dryo Balanops lanceolata, a forest tree species that is endemic to Borneo. So, this species play a very important role in maintaining the stability of forest ecosystem and provide habitat for various wildlife such as the epiphytic plant, bird, also the primate. However, due to logged-in activities and land use conversion, the population of Dryo Balanops lanceolata is increasingly threatened. This situation may have negative impact on biodiversity of the balance of forest ecosystem. Therefore, this campaign aims to raise public awareness the importance of conservation effort to ensure the survival of this species and to preserve the biodiversity and natural of Sarawak.
Alright, now we will take a look at the statistics and key facts about the species. Dryo Balanops lanceolata, or known as KAPUR PAJI, is a giant endemic Bornean tree known for its tall stature up to 80 meters, dense timber, aromatic smell, and ecological significance in tropical rainforests, thriving on fertile soil but facing decline from logging. Key stats include timber density up till 600 to 1010 km per meter cube, fast growth, which is 1.4 cm per year in diameter, high shade tolerance and uses in construction, plywood, medicines, and incense, though it's vulnerable to habitat loss.
To ensure the survival of Dryo Balanops lanceolata, also known as KAPUR PAJI, our campaign is driven by 4 primary objectives. First, we aim to increase public awareness. It is vital that people understand the critical ecological role this giant tree plays and its current conservation status in our rainforest. Second, we are working to achieve a measurable reduction in the direct threats facing the species, such as habitat loss and overharvesting. Third, we are focused on mobilizing key stakeholders. We need active participation from local communities and organizations to support long-term conservation efforts. Finally, we are implementing in-situ conservation programs. This is essential to preserve the genetic diversity of the species right where it grows. That's all from me. Thank you.
Ecologically, Dryo Balanops lanceolata plays an important role in tropical rainforest ecosystem. The species enhances the phylogenetic process, which leads to the formation of a thick organic soil layer, as reported by Hirai et al. In 1997. It also assists in maintaining soil water potential after rainfall. In addition, Dryo Balanops lanceolata provides shelter and shade due to its dense foliar coverage. The species is also associated with confucius, the beaver arthropod lakes. Furthermore, Dryo Balanops lanceolata supports species richness within the Littoral community.
Okay, so now I would like to briefly talk about the threats that are faced by Dryo Balanops lanceolata, also known as KAPUR PAJI. So the first major threat by far is deforestation and loss of habitat. As we all know, large areas of forest in Sarawak are being cleared off for the sake of agricultural purposes and land development. Since KAPUR PAJI is a forest-dependent species, the loss of its habitat will greatly reduce its population and its ability to regenerate naturally. On top of that, the second major threat is climate change. Changes in rainfall patterns, extreme weathers, as well as rising temperatures will greatly affect seed germination. These environmental changes will make it harder for Kapur Panji seedlings to survive and mature into adult trees. Thirdly, seedling mortality is also crucial. Although the tree produces many seeds, these seedlings, however, eventually fail to survive due to poor soil condition, lack of shade, and competition, just to say the least. This will eventually slow down the population recovery of Kapur Panji in disturbed areas. Lastly, I would like to highlight overharvesting. Overharvesting also poses a significant risk because kapur wood is very valuable for construction of plywood. Thus, what this will lead to is excessive logging. Therefore, unsustainable harvest of Kapur Panji will eventually reduces the number of mature trees and disrupt forest structure. In conclusion, without proper conservation measures, these combined threats will poses a serious decline in Kapur Panji population. Therefore, protecting its habitat and having a sustainable forest management are essential for its survival.
How to conserve? First, focus on the habitat protections in situ, sustainable forest management by selective cutting and replanting, education awareness, and sustainable consumption. Thank you.